I am really, really glad that I chose FX because I met some of my closest friends here. To me, being part of the Ram fam means being part of a family, being part of a collective, of a group who support each other, who lift each other up, who are positive. And to me, being part of the Ram fam is something really great.
You do get to know everyone, and there is not a day where I walk through the hallways and see a new face, which is really nice because you're actually a person to the teachers here, you're a person to everyone, you're not just a face.
The feeling I get when I walk into FX is just the warmth of the whole school. How everyone is so friendly and kind, and I don't feel like I need to be someone else here. I feel like I can be myself.
It ended up being more than I'd hoped. It was probably one of the best decisions I've made.
FX was everything I thought it would be and more. I learned a whole lot from my experiences, and a lot of the experiences I've had here are very different from anything that I've seen in the past.
To give a bit of advice to future grade 10s coming to FX this year, really be yourself. Don't try to be anyone you're not. At FX, people will embrace you for who you are.
Get out there and try different programs. We have a bunch of options here for everyone with different personalities. You can kind of find yourself and go into university or a job kind of knowing a bit about yourself and who you are.
My favorite class is for sure drama. It's really fun. It helped me with like public speaking, but I also think it's really cool to find new ways to be goofy and to find humor in things. And I think that's a really big part of communication. So I think it just makes my life easier because I know how to communicate with different kinds of people by what I learned in drama.
I chose AP as an option to get advanced in university studies. Going to the University of Alberta next year, I'm able to use my studies from this year in grade 12 to go towards my university and get university credit from those courses. I wouldn't say it's harder, it's an alternative option to learn new and different material.
My favorite memory has been probably Mike Day this year. There was a lot of games going on and it was a lot of fun. I made posters with my friend and we were cheering on the senior girls.
You can tell that everyone's just kind of behind you, even if you, during a game, especially if you miss a shot or something, you're not worried about really what people are thinking. Like, you're still getting cheers and comments on the sideline that are almost always positive, and even for the other teams too, a very respectful crowd. The biggest lesson I've learned myself in basketball is commitment, and my coach, he holds us very accountable for both out of school and in school choices, and knowing that everything that we do has consequences and rewards if we're doing the right things.
When you're the mascot, you're supposed to be quiet about it, not let anyone know. Whereas I told absolutely everyone because I was so excited. I'm like, I'm the mascot. I get to like pump everyone up. They're cheering me on. We're as a whole cheering the basketball teams on and the volleyball teams, by like all the teams, and it's just cool how I can just really like dance, be crazy, be wild, and like not very embarrassed because it's not me, it's Rambo.
Ram Fam is a slogan here used at FX. It brings us together because we are the herd of Rams, and Rams always stick together in their herd. It's a way to bring everyone together and makes everyone feel part of something bigger.
We try to really promote the entire feeling of community and the fact that none of us are alone going through this. We are all here together and we're all going to make it through this crazy, weird typhoon together.
My most memorable moment at FX definitely has to be this year's Bike-a-thon. When the school just comes together, and for something that big too, it's the most amazing feeling.
Everyone has something to do at FX that they'll enjoy, whether that is sports academies where you take classes and that have to do with your sport, whether it's sport teams, which is extracurricular after school, whether it's the events in the cafeteria at lunch, or the big events such as Bike-a-thon. There's something for everyone at FX to enjoy, and it makes my time here so much fun.
I love the teachers. They're so nice, they're funny, they can almost be a friend but in a professional way.
The amount of time that you see coaches and assistant coaches put into sports at this school is out of this world almost. Like the 2-hour practices after school, tournaments every second or third weekend of the month,
think the teachers do a great job of not just educating you, but making you want to be here.
Caritas Christi is not only an award that we have here at the school, it's our biggest award on award night, because it is those who truly embody the spirit of Christ and the spirit of our old chaplain here, Father Catfish, who really do give themselves back to the community and are really involved in the community. So whether or not that's being part of leadership or participating in bike-a-thon, or just saying hi to someone in the hallways, it truly is who we are as a community here at FX.
The thing that excites me about the future is that I just get to have so many new experiences and share it with all different kinds of people from all walks of life, and explore and travel and yeah, have fun.
I think since I've been in grade 6, I've been so excited to graduate. To graduate, I think for me it's like kind of the start of something new, but I'm kind of scared and I'm sad. I'm gonna miss coming here every day for sure.
The most important lesson I've learned at FX probably is to have patience with everyone. Learning to work with so many different kinds of people is really amazing. And having so many different kinds of teachers and kinds of students, and having all your classes being different and a different dynamic in each class really teaches you patience and tolerance, which we can take into the real world. And if we take things such as Caritas Christi and tolerance and patience with us, the sky's the limit, really.